Welcome guys to my channel. Every time is Mr. Risky Trading channel, guys. So welcome every time, guys. So for today's video, we will analyze on how do you mark your support and resistance in your chart, guys. Remember, every time I will show you simple things that you need to understand, guys. What is a support and a resistance? So I'm talking to somebody that does not understand what is support or a resistance. So for a support level is whereby there is a bearish candle. Yes, there is so for a support level, it is marked when the market is moving down and it reaches a certain point, and this is what we call a support level. This is what we call a support level. The market is moving down, it reaches a certain level, and the market, we expect it to react and move up. So that is what we call a support level. So you should not be trading at this point, because the market will do some reactions for it to come back. So you need to avoid trading along support level. Let's go to resistance. For resistance, it is the opposite of the support level, whereby the market is moving up, as you can see. So the market is moving up. The market is on an uptrend. The market reaches a certain point, so we expect that market to react and move down. So we need to avoid trading at these zones, or either it is our now zones to tell us now the market will go into a certain level. All right, so how do we see a support and resistance in our chart? Let's say the market was moving down. Let me take an example. So the market was on a clear uptrend, so downtrend, whereby the market was moving down like this, was moving down like this, was moving down like this. So these all are the bearish candles moving down. But whereby a bullish candle comes and closes to show that the market is moving up. So here we mark at the body, it's not the wick, at the bodies. So this is what we call a support level. So the market reacted at that point. So when the market comes down at this point again, so we expect that market to react again, because that is what we call a support level, guys. So remember to leave remember every time, guys. So for resistance is the opposite of that support. All right, so it is just briefly on how do we now mark those support and resistance in our chart. So I will take you straight to my chart here. I will take you straight to my chart. Let me take a simple, that is a 4-hour candles. So let me take a 4-hour. So if I take a 4-hour, let's say, so for a 4-hour, I take an example of this one here. So this move was moving down, so the market was moving down. When the market was moving down, you can see very clearly. So when the market was moving down, a candle came. Look here very well. So a candle came. This candle here, that was a bearish candle, but the following candle was a bullish candle, meaning this market formed a support level. This is a support what level? Do you believe on that support level? Yes, that is a support level. So when the market came down, let's say when the market came down at this level, so you should draw your lane at this level, at the body. Remember, at the body. So when the market came, it reacted. When it came down, it reacted. When it came down, it reacted and reversed and went up. So what is the meaning of this? As a forex trader, you need to understand a support level where the market taps more, and you need, how do I now mark that support level? So for me, I would come simply and do my markup. Very simple. So I would come and take my lane like that and mark exactly at the body. You can see, so exactly at the body, you can see a lot of multiple reactions. Yes, the market reacted at this point. It reacted at this point, as you can see very well. The market reacted at this point, it reacted at this point, it reacted at this point. So how do we use now those support and resistance? So the resistance is the opposite now of what we are saying. So let's take an example. This is a resistance zone. Yeah, this is a resistance. Let me take an example. This is a resistance here, guys. So remember, this the market has shown a resistance level where the market is moving up. A candle comes and closes against that trend, meaning the market has built a resistance. When the market comes back to that range, it reacts. When it comes back, it reacts. So as a forex trader, you need to understand the ideology behind the support and resistance. So this is the resistance level. Whenever the market comes at this point, it reacts. When it comes, it reacts. So as a forex trader, you need to understand and have. And remember, it's not that you come at resistance, you say I'm going to sell. No, no, no. You need to understand and have a more complex, a more what? A more modified strategy that gives you money. All right, guys. So that's what how it works, guys. So the next video I will show you how do we now mark our markup. That how do we now mark the support and resistance from the higher time, from daily. We start from the daily, we go to 4 hour, we go to 1 hour, we go to 15 minutes, because me I'm a section trader, guys. So I do my things like that for me to understand now how will that market move in that section. Am I in a support and resistance? I avoid trading. That how do we do it, guys. Remember every time, guys, to do like and subscribe to my channel every time, guys, for more such videos and more inductive, guys, more videos like this, guys. So let me meet our next video is on how do we do our top down analysis every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Is Mr. Risk every time. We change up with you Wesley every day.